welcome to another TeckWrapCraft vinyl tutorial. Today we are going to make this cute Easter egg hunt glass signage using a rainbow stripes adhesive vinyl in the color pink Cyan. This vinyl is just perfect for Easter and for anyone who loves pastel candy colors. The surface of this vinyl has a rough texture and is perfect for any indoor or outdoor projects you have in mind. It's also available in 6 other colors. So to start off, cut your vinyl to the size of your SVG design and slowly place it on top of the cutting mat. Press down evenly to make sure there are no bubbles. Then load the mat to your cutting machine. While cutting your SVG design, start cleaning your glass with alcohol. You can use whatever glass you want. We used an old photo frame glass for this project. Acrylic board works fine as well. When you're done cleaning, make sure to let it dry completely. When your SVG design is done cutting, start peeling off the excess vinyl. Do this carefully and slowly. Then get your weeding tool to remove the unwanted parts on your SVG design. Once done, get your transfer tape and slowly place it on top of the design. You can use your scraper or squeegee to remove any bubbles from the transfer tape. When using this kind of vinyl material, it's best to use the high-tack transfer tape for easier process. But when you're using medium grip transfer tapes, you can slowly remove the backing of your vinyl and use your weeding tools to help you out in removing the backing completely. Once done, place the design on top of the glass and make sure it is placed well. Press down and use the scraper to transfer the vinyl onto the glass. Slowly remove the tape from the glass and you're done! We hope you enjoyed this short tutorial and hope to see you in our other videos. Bye!